Okie dokie, folks. Before we get started on this awesome build, I'd like to give you a little bit of a disclaimer / explainer. If you're watching this at the premiere, you can't see it, but this video is only about 4.5 minutes long. Why is that? Well, apparently I don't know how to use a camera. In point of fact, we lost about half of the footage for this video. That is a fact about which I am not thrilled. Oh well, I guess. Chris was satisfied with it, so I guess I should shut up and do the monkey dance. If you watch the channel for any length of time, you know what I'm doing. I'm pulling the pegs so that I can separate the body and the frame. Now, even though this isn't exactly a complicated build, mostly just paint and wheels, we still would have had about 10 minutes worth of footage. Alright, I suppose that's enough self-degradation for the time being. Let's get this thing into the goo, what do you say? And once the goo has done its thing, we'll get it rinsed off, polished up, and into primer. Of course, putting the primer on was the first thing that I forgot to record, so here's me putting the paint on. Now don't worry, Foggy made sure that it was the proper shade before we finished it up. Oh yeah, here's a Tinkercad session. I am absolutely certain that he's mentioned what kind of wheels these are, but I can't for the life of me find it on his channel. Okay, so this is after the body was done, of course. Here, I'm touching up all of the chrome elements, the bumper, the grille, etc. I discovered that you're never too good at something to learn. Apparently, this chrome pin is photoreactive. That means that it never really truly sets up until it sits in the sun or under a UV source. I have my wife to thank for that discovery. Now, onto the rims. You'll see that I at least start undoing the beauty rings and the center caps and stuff, but in point of fact, we thought that there was enough footage, so I passed them off to Foggy without realizing that, well, there wasn't. Even though I may be very embarrassed about the video, I do like how the car turned out. Let's get on to the glamour shots.